Okay, we've got a 1964 GTO. It's a real tri-power car, 4-speed, safety track, AM radio, and that's about it for as far as options. We're gonna drive it home. It's running okay. Not gonna probably push it too hard because it's got less than probably 75 miles on it after the restoration, so might get into the tri-power a little, but not gonna really hammer on it too hard today. Plus, it's not my car. I hope you're watching this, and I hope you enjoy the ride. So pretty soon you'll be able to take it for a nice drive yourself. Oil pressure's good. Hill's great. Big old 389, lots of torque. One back there just a little ways, we'll let him go by. Idling nicely. Took me a little while to get the tri-power figured out, get it idling right. Alright, we'll see what the old thing can do. it doesn't rev like my small block Chevy and my big block Chevy, but it sure pulls hard. Like I said, I'm not pushing it real hard. I want to put a little pressure against things, get rings and bearings well seated. I think it's doing pretty well. No smoke. Oil pressure is really great. I think we did a good job, Bob. Hope you're happy with it. I think you are. But time to go home. Thanks for joining me on the ride.